To fix the option of adding music to your notes not showing on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. Normally, if you want to add music to your notes, you would go to Instagram, tap right here in the top right corner, and then you tap on the plus on top of your profile picture right here. You'll be taken to the screen, tap on this button to add the music to your note. If you don't have the option, of course, quit Instagram and then try going to your Play Store or App Store and update the Instagram app to the latest version, of course. Once you have that done, repeat the same process and you should find the uploading button right here. Now, if you still cannot find it, this time you need to uninstall your Instagram app completely. After uninstalling it, you need to install it again and then log in. If you still have that problem, follow up with me. Tap here in the bottom right corner once you open Instagram, and then tap here in the top right corner. From there, go to settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on help. Tap on report a problem without shaking, and then tap on include and continue. From here, describe your problem to them and request a fix. Once you're done, tap on send in the top right corner and they should get back to you in a short period of time. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.